You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're not unmotivated. You're just running a mental software that was programmed for survival, not success. But here's the truth, you can rewire it. You can reshape your mind. You can change how you think, how you act, how you show up. And when you do, you become unstoppable. Your brain isn't fixed. It's plastic, literally. That means every thought, every choice, every action wires a new path. It's called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to change its structure based on how you use it. Repetition doesn't just build muscle, it builds neural networks. Habits aren't just actions, they're pathways your brain learns to prefer. So when you wake up and scroll for an hour, that's wiring. When you procrastinate instead of work, that's wiring. But when you break the pattern, when you show up and do the hard thing, that's reprogramming. That's the art of becoming someone new. Most people live on autopilot. Their habits, reactions, their routines, accidents, their thoughts, recycled noise from social media, school, friends, fear. They think change comes from motivation, from watching more videos, from waiting to feel ready. But nothing changes until you take control of the input. If you want to rewire your brain, you need to starve the old voice and feed the new one. That means intentional thinking, repetition of action, and ruthless elimination of distraction. Here are the 4 rules to rewire your brain. Rule number 1, repetition reprograms reality. Do it again, and again, and again. Your brain learns what you repeat, not what you wish. That means if you want focus, repeat focus. If you want confidence, repeat action in the face of fear. If you want power, repeat discipline, even when no one's watching. Rule number 2, identity follows action. Don't wait to feel like the kind of person who does the work. Become him by doing the work. When you take action consistently, your brain starts saying, "This must be who I am." And that identity becomes hardwired. Rule number 3, stress the brain to grow the brain. Growth feels like pain, mental resistance, confusion, frustration. That's your brain building new connections. You have to get uncomfortable. Wake up earlier. Read deeper. Train harder. Focus longer. Your brain expands when you demand more from it. Rule number 4, cut the noise. Limit the loops. Dopamine loops keep your mind weak. Scroll. Click. Scroll. Click. Your brain becomes addicted to reward with no effort. Rewiring your brain means reclaiming control of your attention. Silence. Focus. Boredom. These become your weapons. The world wants you distracted, comfortable, addicted, average. But your mind was designed for more. You were built to evolve. You just forgot how. Rewiring your brain isn't a weekend fix. It's war. Against distraction. Against doubt. Against the weaker version of you.